Hey, I just wanted to go over number 6 with you guys. It's the one I started to talk about at the end of our conversation, and it got cut off by Google Meet. So here we go. Number 6 is asking you to use the amortization table and make a graph of each of these situations. So mortgage plan 1, I'll go through. It says Joe Schmo is taking out a loan of 110,000, 5.5% interest for 30 years. So I'm going to jump in my amortization table and put that in. So 110,000 at 5.5% for 30 years. Okay, so this is more of what an average loan situation would probably look like. And no extra payments, no anything. See, the total paid that I have on here, the 224,000, that's just coming from right there. That's nothing more than your loan payment spreadsheet. But the amortization table part, we want to make a graph of that. So to do that, to make the graph, get a hold of the month, the number of the month, and the starting balance, and highlight those all the way until the loan runs out. So I'm just highlighting just these two. Don't get any words in there. That'll mess it up. So just these two numbers, but I want all of it until the balance goes away. So I'm going to scroll all the way down this loan. This will take a second because it's 30 years, which is 360 months. And almost there. And slow it down. Oh, I went a little too far. Oh, it took me all the way back to the beginning. You got to be kidding. Oh, boy. Sorry. Once I highlight these, it'll just be a matter of inserting the chart, so it won't be a big deal. This is harder to do with my webcam software in the way. All right, there we go. So I'm just highlighting those. I'm going to insert chart, and it is literally that easy to make a chart. Once you insert it, you're going to be like, well, it didn't show up. Well, it's because it's clear at the top. So you just simply got to go back up to the top, and you'll see your chart. So once I get up here, you'll see the chart, and I can make changes to it, make it the type of chart I want, stuff like that. So there's my chart, and I like the way it looks already. I'm good to go. It's got a decent scale to it, stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just single click on it. I'm going to copy this thing and then paste it over here. The only thing with pasting it, let me get rid of this. The only thing with pasting it, when you do paste it, I would paste it unlinked. That way it will not link it to the spreadsheet, because if it links it to the spreadsheet, every time you change the spreadsheet, it's going to change this chart on this Google Doc. So I would paste it unlinked, just paste it as a picture, in other words. And then you can single click on it and resize it. If it's, I think that was way too big, you can resize it and, et cetera, et cetera. All right, so there you go. That'll help you out with the next two, Mortgage Plan 2 and Mortgage Plan 3, which are much wiser plans to do. And I'll let you guys go at it. Don't forget, if you have any questions, I'll be online tomorrow from 11:30 to 11:45. All right, take care. See ya.